Good evening. This is at Venu Speaks on Twitter, K. Venugopal Menon, live from Kolkata. I am here at North Chakraberia Puja Pandal, and this is Obane Bagh, Dada, and he is going to describe you this Pratima. There are 10 hands of Goddess Durga, and in each she is carrying arms, Astra and Shastra. Astras are those which are thrown with hands, and Shastras are those with which you fight. Like Shastra is a sword with which you fight, and Sudarshan Chakra or a disc which you throw is Astra. So these Astras and Shastras he will describe one by one in Bangla. And here I have got Nikita. She is a graduate, commerce graduate from Kolkata. She will be translating that in Hindi. Obani Bagda will be telling me in Bangla. Dada bole dao naamta ki. Ekta pehla hate ki.
প্রথম হাতে কি প্রথম হাতে কি ধরেছে দুর্গা মা? ও প্রথমে হ্যাঁ প্রথম হাতে কি ধরেছে?
ত্রিশূল আছে। ত্রিশূল আছে। ত্রিশূল ঠিক আছে। বুঝা আপনি এখানে এসো না একটা মিনিট সরি হ্যাঁ এখান থেকে দেখে থাকেন पहला हाथे पहला एखान থেকে এখান पहला हाथे बाण प्रथम हाथे কি আছে এখানে ডাইনা ওকে সুদর্শন চক্র আছে সুদর্শন
আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছো দেখতে কম পাচ্ছো আর আগে
okay. The first hand, okay, I will be describing. प्रथम हाथे सुदर्शन चक्र है, ठीक है? सुदर्शन चक्र ए कृष्णा दूसरे हाथे बाण और तीजे हाथे
क्या
गदा थे हनुमाने गदा चौथा हाथे परशुराम का हथली ठीक है दाब काटी 1 2 3 4 4 hands. Now taking from the left from the top त्रिशूल right त्रिशूल আছে फिर ও হাতে কি আছে শঙ্খ আছে फिर বাণ আছে फिर गदा আছে.
Okay, it is like the left hand and the right hand. She has this arrow and the spear.
Okay.
So it's just
okay. So on the first bottom, on the left side is Gada, which is Hanuman. On the right, it is right means her left hand and my right side. The video's right side and her goddess's left hand is having Krishna's Sudarshan Chakra. On her right hand or towards the left on the video is Gada of Hanuman. On the right hand it is Ram's, on the left hand it is Ram's Dhanush or the bow, and in the right hand it is the arrow of Ram. Going to the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, on the left side it is Mugdar, I suppose. Mugdar is used by which god? Oh, Mugdar कौनटा भगवान ये बोलो मुग्धर
ओटा ऊपर है कौन भगवान है
मुग्धर हाँ वो हाँ परशुराम का नहीं नीचे कौन मारता है मुग्धर कौन मारता है ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश
कौन भगवान है कौन
शंकर भगवान हाँ गदर महेश ओके एंड परशुराम हासली on the top hand there are 4 hands on the left side and एखाने की अच्छे ओखाने की अच्छे शंख विष्णु भगवान का and the last is शिव भगवान त्रिशूल. Now we have 8 hands, right? 1 2 3 4 and 4 8 and the other 2 hands she is giving prasad to her followers. So here it is Nikita, a BCom graduate from Kolkata, and Obo अपना नाम की तरह Obani Bagh Dada, who has described this Pratima of Goddess Durga at North Chakraberia Puja Pandal. This is K. Venugopal Menon reporting live. I suppose now you can understand a little bit about the idol itself. This is goddess Durga. Then this is Veena Vadini, that is Saraswati, the goddess of learning, and she is the Asura slayer or the slayer of the demons, and that is goddess Lakshmi. That on the extreme left, Ganesh ji, or the initiator or the writer of God. He writes Ramayana and Mahabharata. And the next is goddess of mammon or wealth, goddess Lakshmi. In the center you have goddess Durga, she is the slayer of demons. On the right you have Veena Vadini, or the goddess of learning, who plays a musical instrument called Veena, Saraswati. And on the right is Kartikeya. Okay. This is the swan on which Saraswati travels. That is the owl on which Lakshmi travels, and that is the lion on which Durga, and there must be some mouse there on the extreme left, which is the vehicle on which, okay, mouse for Ganpati, owl for Lakshmi, lion for, this is the Gir lion, the Indian lion, Babbar Sher of Durga, then swan of Saraswati, and Kartikeya's peacock. So you see, Hindu mythology has food, fire must be there somewhere, Deepak would be there, fire, animals, fire, this is the fire in the Deepak, it will be burning till the Visarjan, and the gods and goddesses with their own, weapons. So these are the 8 weapons given by gods Vishnu, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh to goddess Durga to slay the demons. The importance of today's Vijayadashmi, the day of victory, where victory of good over evil takes place. Thank you, Nikita, and thank you, Abanibab Dada. Dhanyavad. Bhalo thako. God bless you. Okay, this is what I share with the world about Calcutta. I am a North Calcuttan. I learn, I explain it to everybody around the world. Important. Yeah. So whoever is watching this puja, here there is nobody is applying. किसी ने गुलाल लगाया, अबीर लगाया किसी ने? Everybody is gone now. Right? It happened in the morning. Okay, I've taken that still pictures at South Chakkar area. So this is Venugopal Menon from Calcutta. Thank you, Nikita. Thank you, Abel Bhatta. Wish you